Sangana kuti zvakare yeZimbabwe panapa zest news panapa change tichimhanya news update ezvinhu zvakasiyana-siyana zvichange zvichiitika munyika yedu yeZimbabwe, kunyanya zvichange zvichipisa mumastreets esocial media yeZimbabwe. So kana uri mutsva on this channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that patinodzoka nemamwe news updates uchange uchingozoona paminus 4 vadikani. Ndaenda kubatsira nyaya yefellow brother wedu ari kuSouth Africa uyo akasentenswa mujail for 20 years pacrime yaasangana kupara yeZimbabwe. Mabatsiro ari kuitwa kuSouth Africa semaZimbabweans munomaonawo sei? Ndachikumbira kuti zvanofunga mucomment section below utidza mafungiro ako maringe nethis news update, and please don't forget to share nevamwe vadikani kuitira kuti vaone chikuitika chakuitika muSouth Africa kumumwe wedu muZimbabwe. yeZimbabwe ndachikumbira kuti zvanofunga mucomment section below. Much love, stay tuned. It's your boy JC.
This is my toilet. This is my locker room. This is my locker. You can see everything is full here. So, what else do you want to see? Imagine living this home for life. What do you feel, my brother? Stay away from crime, did you? Stay away from crime. Yeah, because some of you, I know that you do anything for a living. But let me tell you one thing. I came here for something that I didn't do. And now, this is my 9th year in prison for something that I didn't do. Because of a corrupt police officer. Hello, guys. Yeah, zirikufamba ninjani. Guys, stay away from crime, and prison life is not good. Let me tell you one thing. As you can see, imagine being sentenced for life in prison, living in this room for 20 years. I just want to show you something. The life that we are living here in prison. Look, these are my clothes. These are my clothes, right? This is my sink. This is my buckets. This is my buckets. Let me show you my bath. This bucket, you use it to bath. The bath here. Called Abengos and the major street in Amsterdam. Look here, I'm here. I've been struggling for a crime that was committed by a friend, a church member, Mas Baba Philip. He puts me in hell for something that I don't know. It's okay, but let me tell you one thing. In life, don't do bad things to other people. So that's the morality, guys. The only thing that is keeping me going right now is God. Yeah. Some, they know me. I'm at Baba for life. I'm going back soon, but I'll teach other people that no, crime does not pay. Don't do any crime. That's what I'm telling you right now. Please don't do any crime. You see, this shade is very hot, I'm telling you. And this is our suit. This is our suit for daily basis. Guys, please stay away from crime. I beg you, please stay away from crime, because one day is one day. Thank you.